Good morning to everyone. Today we will discuss our next point, that is multiple choice questions depending on JEE pattern or MSCT example. This is our video number second. In video number first, we have discussed some examples related with JEE pattern. Let us start some more examples related with symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, and the other part. Okay, let us start with our example related with JEE pattern. Okay, suppose the matrix is given like this: 1, 3, 2, x, 4, 5. 0 here 2 5 1 is a symmetric, then what is value of x? Values of x are here -3, option number first, x equal to 3, number 4 x equal to 5, and option number x equal to what? 1. According to our definition of symmetric matrix, what is the answer? Answer will be, look at here, these are diagonal elements. These are diagonal elements, and for the symmetric matrix, number at this place and number at this place are same. Look here, this number 2 and 2 looking same. This number 5 and this number 5 looking same. This is the definition of symmetric matrix. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is here 3. So x equal to 3 is the correct answer. So answer is here B, that is x equal to what? 3. Okay, this is our example. Let us start our second example. Okay, if A is singular matrix, A is a singular matrix, then determinant of A equal to, this is our question, and options are here 1, option number second -1, option number third 0, and option number 4 capital A. This is our question. Okay, look at this. A is a singular matrix, and then what is the value of determinant of A? We know according to our definition of singular matrix. What is our definition of singular matrix? Matrix is said to be singular if what? Value of determinant is 0. Value of determinant is 0. Let us take example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. This is a matrix. Look at this. This matrix is a singular because if this matrix is convert in determinant, we can say the determinant of A. This is also in determinant form 1, 3, 5, 15. This is a matrix. This is now determinant. Okay. Now value of determinant can be calculated as multiply this one with 15. 1 with 15 minus here 5 multiply with 3. So 15 minus 15, answer is what? 0. This is a value of determinant. Okay, means what? This where value of determinant is 0, therefore given matrix is what? Singular matrix. If this value of determinant is other than 0, suppose value of determinant is other than 0, I am taking one more example. Suppose A equal to here 1, 2, 7, 2. This is a matrix. Determinant of A equal to what? 1, 2, 7, 2. This is now determinant. What will be value of this? 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2 minus 7 multiplied by 2. So 2 minus 14, it is what? Minus 12. Okay, once again, see 1, 2, 7, 2. This is matrix, this is determinant. 1 multiplied by 2, it is 2. 7 multiplied by 2, it is 14. 2 minus 14 minus of 12. So here value of determinant is what? Other than 0. And if the value of the determinant is other than 0, then what? This is a non-singular matrix, and this is what? Singular matrix. Okay, now here, if A is a singular matrix, then value of determinant of A equal to what? It is a 0, and 0 is the answer is given in option number C. So we can say as a answer of this question is C. Okay, this is a multiple choice question related with what? A singular matrix. Okay, let us see next question. If A is a singular matrix or a symmetric matrix, then which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? And options are like this. Option number first, A equal to A transpose. Number 2, A equal to minus of A transpose. Option number C, column matrix. Option number D, row matrix. Okay, look here. A is a symmetric matrix, and we know what is meant by symmetric matrix. For the symmetric concept, what is I am explaining actually meaning of here symmetric matrix. If this matrix is given, suppose here 2, 3, 7, here 3, 1, 8, 7, 8, 5. This is a matrix. This matrix is a symmetric one because these are what? Diagonal elements, and the non-diagonal elements are here 3, 7, 8. Here 3, 7, 8. Number at this place and number at this place are looking same, and this is the rule of symmetric matrix. Here 7, this 7, same. This now 8, and this also 8, looking same one. So this gives a symmetric matrix, and we know all the element at this place and this place are one and the what? Same. And this is the definition of what? Symmetric matrix. Okay, if we fold this matrix diagonally, the above part will fit on the numbers which are given here. 3 will match on this 3, 7 will match on this, 8 will also match on this. Okay, this is symmetric matrix. Okay, and what is our question? If A is a symmetric matrix, then which of the following is correct? We have to find which is correct one. What is about this? A equal to what? A transpose. Now this, if this is a matrix, what is A transpose? Try to find transpose of the given matrix. transpose of a given matrix is what? Replace all the diagonal elements vertically. Sorry, not diagonal, but replace all rows into what? Columns. So 2, 3, 7, write like this. Second, 3, 1, 8, right here. 7, 8, 5. Now this is a transpose of given matrix. Now try to find if there is a change or not. Look at here. 2, 3, 7. Yes, it is same. 3, 1, 8. Looking same. 7, 8, 5. 7, 8, 5. There is a no change. So number 1 and number 2. From 1 and 2 we can see as A equal to what? A transpose. This is a correct answer. So which of the following is correct? Correct answer is option number A. Therefore not need to check other options here. So we can say as a correct answer is here or A. So I am writing here. Therefore answer of this question is option number A, that is A equal to what? A transpose. A equal to what? A transpose. Okay. Now look option number C. What is here? Column matrix. You know column matrix having what? Only one column. And if the matrix is a type of column matrix, then it is cannot be a symmetric matrix. And if it is a row matrix, then it cannot be a symmetric matrix. This matrix, this option is wrong. This option is wrong. This option for this condition is also wrong. Okay. So this is a required analysis, required proof of the given question. Let us take a next example related to same one. If we take a matrix is a skew symmetric. If A is instead of this, suppose we take as skew symmetric matrix. If A is a skew symmetric matrix, then which of the following is correct? And options are looking same. Options are looking same. Which is correct one? For such type of question, look at here now. Suppose A matrix no change as it is. Okay. Transpose. Yes, here it is. And what is given? A equal to what? Minus A transpose. A equal to minus A transpose. So this is A transpose. Try to find minus A transpose. Minus of A transpose is equal to multiplying both the sides of this step by what? Minus 1. So if we put minus sign here, minus of A transpose, here also keep minus here and no change here. 2, 3, 7, 3, 1, 8, 7, 5, and there is a minus sign outside it. So replace all the signs. Okay, what will be new? Minus of A transpose equal to what? Minus 2 here, minus 3 here, minus 7 here, minus 3, minus 1, minus 8, minus 7, minus 8, or here minus 5. This is a analysis, or this is a step after this, because this is we have to show where A equal to minus of A transpose. We are checking this answer is correct or not. A means given matrix, minus of A transpose, looking here. So minus of A transpose is equal to, if, or you can say as what? Here minus, here also keeping minus. So instead of writing this, we can also take as this is equal to minus whole this matrix we can see as A. Correct. So what is the correct answer here? A matrix is given minus of A equal to what? Or simply take for a skew symmetric matrix. Let us check. Without taking this, I am changing the example. Let us one more example. For skew symmetric matrix here, your question is skew symmetric. So take skew symmetric. So but 0, 3, 8, minus 3, 0, 5, minus 8, minus 5, 0. This is now skew symmetric. Okay, try to find A transpose. What will A transpose now? Hold this element right here. Minus 3, 0, 5. These are the elements. What? Minus 8, minus 5, what? 0. Okay, this is now A transpose. We have to verify whether A equal to minus A transpose or not. So, minus of A transpose equal to. Now try to multiply both the sides of this minus 1. Suppose this is plus, keep minus. Here is also minus 0, minus 3, minus 8, 3, 0, minus 5, 8, 5 what? 0. Now from this or multiplying this minus with all the numbers, what will get? Here will be 0 here, plus 3, here plus 8, here minus 3, here will be 0, here 5, change all the signs. Here minus 8, here minus 5, here what? 0. And this gives a result. But if we change the sign of all the elements which are given here, so what will get? This matrix as it is, and this total matrix is nothing but our original matrix A. So what will get? Minus of A transpose, look at here, minus of A transpose equal to A, or we can say as A equal to what? Minus of A transpose. This is a correct options. This is a correct answer for the skew symmetric matrix. So correct answer is this one, A equal to what? Minus of what? Minus A transpose. Okay, so we are discussing the concept symmetric, skew symmetric, their definitions and the examples related to such type of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, let us take next example. Suppose I am taking one example here. Suppose or if this is a matrix 9, 3, 2. This is 9, 3, 2. This is a row number first. Okay, here x 5 10, this is a row number second, and here 2 y 4 is symmetric matrix, then x plus y equal to, x plus y equal to, and options are here 5, option number second 7, option number third 13, and option number 4 -4. So we have to find which answer is correct. Again same example, depending the concept, depends on the concept what? Symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric concept? These, look here, these are what? Diagonal elements. And for the symmetric matrices, what is most important condition? The elements at what? Ai, j equal to what? Aji. This is more important result for what? Symmetric matrices. What is Aij and Aji? This concept we have already discussed in the definition of symmetric and what? Skew symmetric matrix. Suppose a matrix is like this: A11, A12, A13. Here, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Look at here. These are diagonal element, but for symmetric matrix, this number A12, A21, this is not equal to 12 and 21. So number at this place and this place must be same. Okay, so this I am writing here. Aij equal to Aji. Look at here. A13 here. And a triangle here. Here also triangle. This is circle. This is circle. These three numbers are equal with these three numbers. So this is our rule. So Aij equal to what? Aji means A12 equal to A21. A13 equal to what? A31. A32 say. A32 equal to what? A23. Correct? Try to check again. Yes. This is related with this definition. So according to this rule, what is the correct answer here? Correct answer is here. This x means this 3. So we can say as x equal to what? 3. And y equal to what? 10. And 2 is looking same at this place. Or this is an alternative method. For symmetric matrix, these are numbers equal. Fold this matrix diagonally. X will fit on 3. 2 same as on 2. Y will be on 10. So y value of y is. These are the values of x and y. Our question is here. X plus y equal to what? So x plus y equal to 3 plus 10 equal to what? 13. This is answer, that is 13 is the correct answer. So look at here, option number C. Option number C gives the correct answer, that is answer is what? Answer is 13. Okay. Let us discuss similar type example. If same example is given, if this matrix is symmetric, then instead of x plus y, I am changing here. What is value of x minus y? What is value of x minus y? And explanation already given here. What is x? X means 3, y means 10. We have to find x minus y. What will you get? 3 minus 10. What is the answer? It is the minus 7 is the correct answer. And such type of questions here, suppose I have written minus sign. So by solving this example, by using our definition, our answer is what here? Minus 7. So correct answer is what? Minus 7. Okay? Yes. Now let us take examples, new example, that is next example. That is example is same. All the examples we are looking here depend on same concept, symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. But how questions will be asked for exam? We are discussing this concept. Instead of x minus y, I am taking x into y. X into y. So here is the product of x and y. By solving this, x get 3, y get 10, and we have to find here what is xy. So it will get 3 into what? 10. Answer will what? 30. And options are same one, and I am writing here. Then tell me, what is the answer now? Answer is 30. D option is correct. Okay. So same example can be asked for 4 ways. By according to our definition of symmetric matrix, we can find value of x, no doubt. Value of y, that is also easy one. So if we get value of x and y, then we can add it, that is x plus y. We can subtract it, x minus y. Can find value of x and y, that is product of x and y. Also we can take the ratio of x and y, x upon y. If the question is like this, what is the ratio of x upon y? So we know x upon y, what will get answer? What is the ratio of x and y? X upon y. So answer will be what? 3 by 10. So options are here. I am giving you options. 3 by 10, 10 by 3, here 3, here 10. What is the correct answer? By solving this, we will get x equal to 3, y equal to 10. Correct answer, x upon y. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Same example can be asked by another way. Then which of the following is correct? Then which is correct? Which is correct? This is our question, and I am changing here. Options are like this. Option number 1, 10y plus 3x equal to 0. Here 10x minus 3y equal to 0. Option number 10, 10x minus 3y equal to 0. So here is it, here multiply by this, and here only 30xy equal to what? 0. These are options. Look here, same example, no change. Is a symmetric matrix, then which of the following is correct? Look here, by solving we get x equal to 3, okay, y equal to 10, okay, yes. If we take the ratio x upon y, we will get what? 3 by 10, okay. Make the cross multiplication. 10x equal to what? 3y, and shift this 3y to this side. So 10x minus 3y equal to what? 0. So option B is correct one. Okay, these are various methods of asking the question. Our base is to find what is value of x, what is value of y. This is basic concept, and for solution of this we must know what is symmetric matrix and what is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now let us take a different type of the examples. That is, suppose A is a given matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a matrix A. B matrix is given 1, 1, 1, 0. C matrix is given 0, 1, 0, 1. These are 3 matrices. And if the 3 matrices are given, then the question may be like this. Then what is the value of A plus B plus C? Okay, and options are given like this. Okay, here should be one matrix, second matrix, third matrix, here 4 matrix. Options are like this. Actually, I am not writing the elements in a matrix. Let us find what is the result of this matrix. So for the solution of this, look here. A matrix order is 2 by 2. B matrix order 2 by 2. C matrix order what? 2 by 2. And means what? Here matrix A, matrix B and matrix A. 3 matrices are having same order. And we know if the matrices are of same order, then we can find their addition. Look at here, A plus B plus C. Our aim is to find A plus B plus C. Means here should be matrix A plus matrix B plus here matrix C. Put the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 1, 0, 1. Look at here. What is the answer? We know there was one video. In that video we have discussed with how to add two matrices. The matrix addition can be calculated by adding corresponding element. Means what? Corresponding elements here. This is 1, this is 1, this is 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0. What will answer? Here 2. Here again here this plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. It is 4. This 2, 3, 4 here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 0 plus 1, here 5. This is our answer. Okay. And options, in the options, this A plus B plus C, suppose add this plus 2, 4, 4, 5. This is the correct answer. Our answer is here. And other options, that is, suppose here 2, minus 4, 5, 2, 4, minus 5, 4. Any numbers we can take here. So what is the correct answer of this question? So option number here A. Means what? I am giving a different type, that is, if the 3 matrices given in some exam, a question may be like this: what is the addition of 3 matrices? Such type of example can be solved by using just basic concept, that is algebra of matrices, that is how to add 2 matrices or how to subtract of 2 matrices. Okay, yes, this is related with what? Basic concept, that is A plus B plus, that is addition of 2 matrices. Okay, I am giving next example now. Suppose a matrix A is given 1, 2, 3, 7. Then adjoint of A is equal to, adjoint of A equal to, and options are here 1, 2, minus 3, minus 7. Option B 7, 1, minus 2, 3. D option 7, 1, minus 3, minus 2. And option D minus 1, minus 7 to 3. These are options, and we are going to find adjoint of A. We know what is adjoint, and we must know what is the definition of adjoint. For the adjoint, we must know the concept of how to find what? Minus. After that, cofactors. If we know the concept of how to find that minus, after that cofactors, then try to write the cofactor matrix, and transpose of cofactor matrix gives adjoint of matrix. In that video, we have discussed the detailed information about this. Okay, so in that video also I have given you basic tricks to find adjoint of this. What direct we can say, that is adjoint of given matrix, we can say as a, these are diagonal element. Okay, replace it. So this 7 right here, this 1 at here, and try to change only the sign of non-diagonal elements. Here is 3, write -3, here 2, here -2. So this is a correct answer, adjoint of A. And what is the adjoint of A? Look here, adjoint of A, this option is in C, option number C. So correct answer is, so we can say as a, our answer is what? Option number C, that is this one, 7 -2 -3 1. Okay, this is a related what? Adjoint of A. Okay, let us take, so if the, I am taking different example. Suppose A equal to A, B, C, D, then what is adjoint of A? What is the adjoint of A? This is a example, and options I am giving here. Options are like this. Here A, D, here -B -C, option B here. D, here A -B -C, option C. A, B, C -D, and option D, -A, -B, C and D. Now tell me, what is the correct answer? By direct method, suppose a matrix is given like this, A, B, C, D, this is a matrix A. Then adjoint of A is calculated as, adjoint of A is calculated as how? Replace diagonal element. This is AD, change the position, DA. Okay, and replace the sign of this, -A and what? -B. This is adjoint of a given matrix. Look at here, which is the correct option here? D -B -A. Yes, this answer is given in the option number what? Option number B. Okay, yes. Let us take next example, that is this example based on what? Adjoint of A. Look at here now. Suppose A matrix is given 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 7, here 4, 10, 8, then M1 is equal to what? And also A11 equal to what? And options are like this. Options A, here B, here C, and here D. What is M11? What is A11? M means minor, and this A means what? Capital A11, cofactor. But this is a matrix about the what? 3 by 3, correct? And for the 3 by 3, how to find? Now here is written M11, minor of element, at the place what? 1 1. So we have to find minor of this element. Okay, so what is the minor of this element? Because you know the elements place of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 here, A31, A32, A33. This is a standard form of the matrix. If the matrix is given square matrix, then this is a standard form to find the actually place perfect position of the element. Correct? Look at here. Here is M11 means position this. And what will the minor of this? For the minor, don't consider the vertical line and the horizontal line. So these four elements gives minor. So I am writing here for the correct answer here M11. So writing M11 in this position. Put here, don't consider the elements in a vertical line as well as horizontal line. What will remain? 2, 7, 10, 8. So this is a determinant. Okay, and we can find value of this determinant. What is the answer? 2 minus 8, 2 multiplied by 8, 16. Minus what? 70. Correct? So try to find 2 multiplied by 8. Answer is 2 multiplied by 8, 8 to the 16, minus 10 multiplied by 7. But if you write like this, look at here, if the question is, if the numbers are written like this, and for the determinant, if you find wrong by wrong method, if you multiply 10 with this 70, 10 multiplied by 7, 70 minus what? 8 to the 16. So what will get the answer? Here will be 4, here 5, 54 will be answer. So this is a totally wrong, because for the determinant, what is the procedure? Try to multiply 2 with 8 first, 2 8 the 16. So 16 first, 2 is the 16, minus this 17. And so what is the answer here? Answer is here, same one, 70 minus 16, 70 minus 16, answer is 54. But which is bigger number? Bigger number is 70, so give the minus sign. So answer will be minus 54 of this. So what is minor? Minor is minus 54. And the position here, and here is the what? Cofactor. And what is the formula for cofactor? Formula for cofactor is Aij equal to what? Minus 1 raised to I plus j into what? Mij. This is our basic formula. And here 1 1, look here, 1 1. This is not 11, but this is 1 1. Here I means 1, j means 1. So A 1 1 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M 1 1. So A 1 1 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 M 1 1 minus 54. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. So no change here. So minus of 54. This gives how to find minor and how to find cofactor. Same concept we discussed in, that is, adjoint method. Inverse of a matrix by adjoint method we have already discussed. How to find minors, how to find cofactor. Same concept we are using to find in the examples related with what? JEE pattern. Okay, so this is our answer. That is, here is a minus 54. Okay, let us discuss now. This is related to with the M11 and minus this. And in exam, how many elements are here? Here are 9 elements. In exam, same type of example can be asked. Here we have discussed the minor of this element, but there are remaining 8 elements. For remaining 8 elements, similar way we can find minus of each element as well as what? Cofactors of each element. Okay? Yes. Now let us discuss next example depending on same one. Suppose a matrix is given like this. 1, 2, 3, 10. Then determinant of adjoint of A equal to what? What is question? Look here. Here using determinant of sign determinant of adjoint of A, and options are not given here. I am also not giving here. So here will be some numbers here. So this type of answer we can solve. How we can solve? Look at here. So this is a matrix, and we have to find what? Determinant, but what? For adjoint. Okay. So try to find adjoint of this. Okay. Try to find what? Adjoint of this. So what is the adjoint of this? Adjoint of this matrix we can find by direct way. Instead of 1, 10, write here 10, 1. And here 3, put minus 3, here minus 2. This is adjoint. And now use the determinant concept. Okay. So determinant of adjoint of A is equal to here. What will be there? 10 minus 2 minus 3, 1. This is now determinant. Try to multiply 10 with 1. It is 10 minus, and product of this minus minus plus, it is a 6. Answer is what? 4. This gives answer 4. And I am writing the option of this question is here. That is option of this, option number 1, 2. What is the answer here? 4. So here 4, here minus 4, here 16, here minus 6. These are options, and correct answer is here. Answer is what? Answer is 4. Okay. Now if we find determinant of this, look here. What is the value of determinant of this? 10 minus 6 what? Not need to find all this concept. Determinant of this 10 minus 6, it is 4. So 4 answer is correct. Okay. Yes. So in this video we have discussed the examples related to symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, how to find minus, how to find cofactors. Correct. Okay. Also adjoint of the given matrix. I am taking one more example related to what? Diagonal matrix. Okay. If the matrix is given like this, if a matrix is given diagonal matrix, look here, 7, 0, 0, 2, 7, 0, 0, 2. Then what is then determinant of adjoint of A transpose? Look at here. What is the value of this? Okay. Now observe here. We have to find determinant. No doubt we can find. But determinant of what? Adjoint of A transpose. Adjoint of A transpose. I am writing here like this. Adjoint of A. Look at here. This is our question. Means what? First find adjoint of A. After that, adjoint of what? First find adjoint of A and its transpose. Let us see step by step. What is answer? Adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? You know adjoint of A. How to find adjoint of A? Replace diagonal element. Yes, 2, 7. Instead of 7, 2, we write like this and 0, 0. This is adjoint of A. Now look at here. Its transpose. Transpose means adjoint of A, T. Its transpose. What is transpose now? Transpose we can write like this. 2, 0 we can write like this here. 0, 7. Yes, it is a 0, 7. Horizontal line. Correct? Vertically. horizontal line, vertically. And determinant of this. And what will be determinant of this? I am writing here. What is determinant of this? Now, determinant of adjoint of A transpose equal to what? To 0, 0, 7. Answer is what? 14. Minus 0, answer is 14. So, answer of this question is here what? Only 14. 14 is the correct answer. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss some more examples related to remaining properties, depend on remaining property of the matrices. Okay. In this video, just we have discussed so many examples related to basic concept, that is symmetric matrix, in skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Addition of matrices. Okay, how to find minus, how to find cofactors. After that, this type of examples related to adjoint. Okay, in the next video we will see our remaining new type examples. Okay, here important points are to be noted. Which point to be noted? That is, in this video, which are the new concept? Which are the new concept? Try to understand it. Okay. Try to remember it. Okay. So we will stop. We will stop here now. So we'll visit again to our next video. Thank you very much.